to sing, to play, to play. And now we're on our way. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. I'm glad we're here today. Good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog. I'm glad we're here today. Jean Dobre, Jean Dobre, Jean Dobre, Jean Dobre. I'm glad we're here today. Ciao, 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 ciao. Glad we're here today. Now, the first word, bonjour, is French, and it comes from France. Good dog is Swedish, and it comes from Sweden. Dzień dobry is Polish. It comes from Poland. And ciao is Italian, from Italy. Now, take a look on this table. You're going to see lots of bird items. It is spring, and the birds are back. The birds are back. They flew up from the south. The birds are back. It's spring, it's spring, it's spring. Now, Mama Bird lays her eggs in her nest in the spring. The Mama Bird lays her eggs inside her neat nest. The Mama Bird lays her eggs because it's spring, it's spring, it's spring. The birds are back. They flew up from the south. The birds are back. It's spring, it's spring, it's spring. Now comes a very special bird for Michigan. It is the robin. Robin is Michigan's lower and upper peninsula. It's our state bird for Michigan. The robin is our bird, Michigan state bird. The robin is our bird. Michigan has a state bird. It's the robin. And we spell robin R-O-B-I-N, robin. Remember, it's Michigan's bird. Uh-oh, what's this bird doing? This bird sees a note, a music note in its nest. This bird sees a note. It reminds this bird to sing because it's spring. Excellent. The birds are back. I think they flew up from Florida. Florida is south of us. Next, we are going to do the song about a woodpecker. So what I need you to do is find a pair of sticks or wooden spoons. Ask mom or grandma or dad before you take them out of the cupboard. And we're going to be tapping woodpecker patterns to the woodpecker song. Okay, stand your wooden spoons up on your lap. Oh, we need music. That helps. Mrs. H forgot to turn it on. Here we go. Get ready to bounce your sticks.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking
There you
on
go.
a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll let go you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a
2, 3. Get ready?
All together we play.
1, 2, 3.
Woodpecker he say.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready.
All together we play.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Woodpecker,
Bounce on your leg.
knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll echo you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll
Okay,
play.
let's listen.
Woodpecker he say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get ready
All
to tap.
together we play.
1, 2, 3.
Woodpecker he
Listen.
say.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
All together we
Little tricky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bounce.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll echo you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll play.
Now we have one big tap at the end. Here it comes. Now. Excellent. Thanks for doing the woodpecker song and the birds are back songs with me today. It was fun. It's now time to say goodbye. Music is done. Had a lot of fun. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Music is done. Had a lot of fun. Everyone will